Welcome everybody. Chef John Bogan here, Lake Geneva School of Cooking. How great is this? I hope you're all doing well today. Very exciting day here at the School of Cooking. We're going to announce our 2022 Chef of the Year. It's always an exciting time. And gosh, let's get right to it. By popular vote, our Chef of the Year is Megan Daniels. All right, Megan. Oh my gosh. She was here for our Oktoberfest celebration with her family. She was the Chef of the Month in October 2021. She was making homemade spatzel right here. Of course, she had the Chef John signature seasoning in there. Look at that big smile there. Hey, Megan, you look great. Right on. Right, so the recipe's right in our cookbook. Chef John Bogan, the recipes from the seasons of my life. Of course, Megan has 3 copies probably already. But yes, with this win, she gets a $200 gift certificate, right, for your next class, Megan. And we also have a winner for who voted for Megan. That winner is Katie Goldstein, right? And she's also going to win a $100 gift certificate for a future class. Way to go, Katie, right? What do you say, Megan? Way to go, right? Woo! Nice job, Katie, Megan. Yeah, we hope to see you in the near future. We have many classes coming up that you can all join us from our Mardi Gras celebration that starts this weekend to St. Patrick's Day celebrations. Also this year we are going to be having the big Geneva Lakes Burger Throwdown. That'll be at the Ridge Resort on Sunday, May 1st with the Badger High School Culinary Pro Start program. Right, Miss Jamie Lutz was the Badger High School Teacher of the Year for the state of Wisconsin. We're going to have fun with Miss Lutz and celebrate with all the students from Badger High School, and anybody can join us, and that's going to be a great afternoon right there. I think we should have a toast of champagne, Megan. Right on, right? This is the Megan Daniels, our 2022 Chef of the Year. Congratulations, Megan. Bye-bye now.